Wearing jersey number 44, Agent X44, the Kapamilya King of the dance floor is ready to own the beat and the court from Team Third Floor, Boy Navarro.
Hindi na siya nagtanggal ng jersey, baka hindi daw kayanin. Mawari na.
Okay na daw yun, okay? Sige. But time to introduce the